Honestly, I'd like to talk to a damn lawyer about that. You know what? Never mind. No.
No what?
No, ma'am. Well, hang on now.
You obviously know who he is. His name is fucking A. I mean, would you? I mean, you would not. Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
I am also Lafir with the Winter Garden Police Department. Today's date is August 14th, 2022, and the time is 00:41 hours. Can you please state your full name?
Chase Manor.
I am now requesting that you submit to an approved test of your breath for the purpose of determining the alcoholic content of your breath. If you refuse to take this test, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for your first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 327.35215, Florida statute, for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take this test and your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 327.35215, Florida statute, for a prior refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Your refusal to submit to this test is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. In addition, if you have refused to take this test and you are a commercial driver's license holder or were driving a commercial motor vehicle, your commercial driving privilege will be disqualified for 1 year for the first refusal, or permanently if you have been previously disqualified pursuant to statute 322.64 Florida statute. Will you take this test? Yes or no?
Honestly, I'd like to talk to a damn lawyer about that.
Okay, can you turn the page? Actually, he's going to read you something else about the right to counsel right now, okay? Just ahead.
The 3rd District Court of Appeal held that a driver who is arrested for DUI in violation of statute 316.193, subsection 1, Florida statutes, does not have the right to call or meet with an attorney prior to the admission of a breath test.
So, I can refuse, but I can't let an attorney know?
You can let an attorney know at a later time. What he's telling you right now is that you can't call an attorney at this moment. At this moment, it's a decision that you have to make on your own about if you're going to take the breath test or not.
Okay. Yeah, whatever.
That's up to you.
Yeah, get on with it.
You're going to take the breath test?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. I'll have some instructions for you in just a few moments, okay?
No, you know what? Never mind. No.
Okay. Let me get through this and...
911, what's the address of your emergency?
I was just calling because there's a vehicle on Dillard Street and Story Road on the light.
Dillard and where?
Story Road.
What do you mean there's a vehicle there?
Yeah, there's like a vehicle just stopped there and it's like not moving.
Is there somebody in the vehicle?
I'm not sure. I'm alone with my daughter and I just don't want to like get out the car.
What color is the vehicle?
It's a white pickup.
Is it in the middle of the road?
It's like literally on the light and like the cars have to go around it because it's just not moving.
Alright, so is it on Dillard or on Story?
It's on Story.
Do you have the tag number to the vehicle?
No, but I could go around and get behind the truck if you...
No, I don't want you to go in case there's somebody in the vehicle.
Okay.
How long ago did you pass the vehicle?
I'm like down the street from it, but it's been like 10 minutes now.
Okay. What's your name?
Alondra.
Okay, and do you want to meet with the officer or no?
No, I was just calling just in case. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. Somebody's in there or not.
Okay.
Or they probably fell asleep. I'm not sure.
Is the vehicle running? Like, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. The lights and everything is on.
All right, we'll send somebody out there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Chase, since you stated that you weren't going to take the breath test, I'm going to have him read the bottom box to you one more time just to confirm, okay?
Do you still refuse to submit to this test, knowing your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of at least 1 year? Yes or no?
Well, if I don't refuse to it, then what happens?
That's pending with the DMV. What he can tell you for certain right now is that if you refuse to take the test, that your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of at least 1 year.
What can you tell me for certain if I don't take the test?
Yes, that's what he read to you, is that he's for certain.
It'll be for certain if it's suspended for a year. You know what? Nope.
No, what?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
You're not going to take the test?
Nope.
Okay. And you understand the consequences, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well, hang on now. Can you get what's the word for it? What is the word? The license is suspended, but you get it, not nullified, but when it's, I don't have the damn word for it. You can get a driving privilege even though you have a suspended license.
Oh, that's something, yeah, you'd have to ask the DMV about that.
Well, that's not information y'all got.
That's the information we have.